Welcome to InfoComm 26. My name is Reto Brader. I'm the CEO of Barix. Barix is a well-established manufacturer of audio encoder and decoder devices. And what we have new at InfoComm this year is customers keep asking us, oh yeah, it's great, it does all these things, but it should do this additional thing. Can you provide? And thanks to AI, we can provide, or the customer can provide himself. So with our new Flexa firmware, which is the hardware and the middle layer firmware, customers can easily use, for example, Claude AI to make customized application for this box, doing exactly what they wanted to do. We have developed a skill. You just upload the skill into Claude, you tell it what it should do, and you don't need to know anything about coding. The products are called Barix Flexa devices, and you find them on our webpage at barix.com. Looking forward to talking to you about what you try to achieve with our decoder and encoder devices.